Hi! In front of me is Realme C35 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to click on security over here and tap on face unlock. Then enter your current login method and tap on agree after scrolling down. Now you need to tap on start at the bottom right corner and follow all of those instructions. Remember to keep your face in frame. Then you need to select done at the bottom right corner and click home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my Realme. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!